This is how it works basically. Animals will eat guano or bat droppings, and they get eaten and they get eaten. They'll also feast off other things such as bats, dead or alive, and predate or scavenge off any other living or dying thing here. Sorry. Now, these creatures, majority are invertebrates, and well adapted they are to a cave, just like the cave cricket, which has longer antennae and appendages to help them sense their surroundings through touch and smell, and movement with their longer limbs away from predators or towards prey. They get eaten, of course, by bigger things, such as the long-legged centipede, which are centipedes 8 to 10 centimeters in body length, and with multiple long limbs, 15 pairs. It gives the illusion of a bigger animal than it actually is. But don't worry, most things are small over here. They're small for a reason, like this snail. Having a shell length of 2 centimeters or less, being small is great. You can eat whatever's around you, and you have a lot to sustain you in the long run, and you can move to places where predators cannot get you. And that's why their life here do not reside above on the ceiling or the wall. They live down here on the floor. But they don't live above it, they live under it. Come closer, you have a glimpse for yourself. You can see the floor moving, it's alive. Yeah. Now, it's full of life over there, if you notice, because creatures come up. But if you focus to one of them, they will soon disappear and be gone. They come up looking for food, and when there's nothing, they reside underneath. These are cave cockroaches here. T. styratus, first found in a dark cave in 1902. They're smaller. Those are adults that you see there. When they don't sense anything, they go underneath. Very efficient decomposers and cleaners they are. Like there, I have a dead bat. Oh, there's more life. Hello. Now, being small, these little roaches can go into this dead, decaying bat, eat inside organs, and that will be eaten first. And the others, the flesh and heart tissue and bone, will get eaten by fungus slowly. So nothing goes to waste over here. They get eaten from the inside out. That doesn't mean if you fall in, you'll get eaten like some James Bond movie and die. It doesn't happen that way. But speaking about bats, how many do I have here? Sorry. Now, in this case, stay where you are, everyone, it's okay. I have 200,000 bats, 9 species, and 2 types. The first type, I have 3 species, and they're fruit-eating bats. They're good-looking, actually, with a long muzzle, big eyes, and large, small, average ears. These bats here will go out from the cave using sense of smell and eyesight to navigate around. Not using echolocation, only a handful of species of fruitivorous bat are known to use sonar, and they'll go out from here to help in the pollination of plants in my rainforest, mangrove areas, and fruit orchards. Because when they go from flower to flower to take out honey or nectar, they pollinate these flowers. So they help pollinate 4 species of mangrove tree, 31 species of plants and tree in the Malaysian rainforest, bananas, peaches, petai, and even the local delicacy of durian. Have you heard of it before? You can kill someone with it, actually. But it's the Asian cheese, you can put it that way. It smells horrible for foreigners, but locals love it. In the Philippines, you have durian, right? We do. Now, the insect-eating bat is the stereotypical bat we imagine one to be. They're very good looking. The nose is here, eye, and the ear. And these bats are the ones you find in the temperate regions, tropical, but it's the only type of bat you find in the temperate regions. So that's why most Europeans associate bats to be only one type. This ugly, blind, echolocation-using thing. And this bat are very useful for us because they control dengue and malaria and other, you can say, mosquito spread disease by consuming 600 mosquito-sized insects every hour, every night per bat, and up to around 20 to 30 grams of invertebrates per bat per night. So highly valuable in the USA, for example, to reduce agricultural losses over there by 48 billion every year. Vampire bats, you don't find them here, but you do find them in Central and South America, and even they're useful for us. They do suck blood from mammals, can be people, but their saliva has an anticoagulant which causes the blood to flow. This same anticoagulant can be used in medicine to avoid blood clots in certain human parts of the body, to avoid, of course, medical complications like a stroke or heart attack or whatnot. I'm no doctor, but hey, that's what I read. Any questions so far?
Did you say you have 200,000?